Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you to get Rise of Kingdoms hack for iOS and Android. So as you can see, I'm broke, but in the mod menu we can actually enable unlimited gems. So I'm going to go ahead and do that just to show you guys how to download this Rise of Kingdoms mod for your device. So as you can see, we got like 350 right now, which is pretty bad, but I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's get into it. So I'm just going to enable unlimited gems and let's see if it goes up or not. So currently is no change, but maybe it will happen. And bang, guys, there it goes. So I'm going to show you how to get this Rise of Kingdoms hack for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let's go into the guide. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the browser and just go to this website right here, zoomods.com, and type in Rise of Kingdoms, and you should see it. So just go ahead and press on it. Now, before the mod downloads, there is going to be a verification. This is just downloading 2 apps and completing the instructions. It's 100% for free from the official App Store, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a second to load up. So basically, this is just to keep the server alive and keep you safe and everything like that. So let's just wait for this to load, as you can see. So you can see it says missing files. So basically, you just have to download 2 of these apps and follow instructions. So like Travel Town says reach level 9. So just press on it. It'll bring you to the store. You download it, reach level 9, you're good. So just make sure you did 2 of them and you follow the instructions, and then you'll have the Rise Kingdoms mod and you'll have unlimited gems. So it's super cool, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, I don't do videos like this often, but this is a legit guide, so I had to share it with you guys. So yeah, it's super cool. So I'm going to see you later, but yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself because this is super updated and it fully works for all devices. So get the word out, guys. If you play Rise of Kingdoms, this is the best way to do Rise of Kingdoms Unlimited Gems mod menu for your device. So try it out and get the word out, bro.